Realme C15 is an affordable smartphone made by Realme starting at just Rs 9,000. Is this smartphone worth the price? Let's check it out. Let's start off with the design. We got the marine blue model here. The back panel and the sides of the phone is a single piece of plastic. It has got some triangular designs, but nor my lights neither the camera flash do the justice of reflecting that properly. On the front, there's a 6.5-inch 720p IPS LCD display with 270 pixels per inch density. The back panel houses a fake quad camera setup and a fingerprint scanner. There's a mono speaker, micro USB 2.0 port microphone and the 3.5mm analog audio jack at the bottom. Now about the quad camera, Realme C15 has a 13-megapixel primary camera with f2.2 lens, an 8-megapixel ultrawide camera with f2.3 lens and a 119-degree field of view. The other two cameras on this device are 2-megapixel f2.4 black and white camera and a depth sensor. Both are not usable and installed just for quad camera marketing, because some fools fall into this trap and think all 4 camera works. That's how marketing works. Good thing is there's a proper pro mode for taking precisely tuned photos. The Realme C15 is on Realme UI based on Android 10. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio G35 CPU on 12nm process and a dedicated GPU of model Power VR GE8320. It has got a huge 6Ah battery and up to 18W fast charging. The front camera cutout that features the 8-megapixel f2.0 front camera is slightly outdated. But still, it's a good option for 9,000 rupees. What are your opinion about Realme C15? Comment them below. Also, subscribe for more informative videos on latest smartphones.